Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily install Grammarly extension in Chrome. So what you want to do is just write into Google extension, click on it, on the first link, and add to Chrome, add extension. And right now, as you can see, you can create a free account, write here your email address. Okay, you can send me product updates. Now, okay, password, name Marcus Stone, sign up. Is for most of my writing is for work, and I have beginner writing skills. Continue. Continue, Grammarly free. You can also pay for it. It's completely up to you. Continue, and voila, here we go. Skip the tour. You can play with it. You can play around it. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya.